All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. Today I'm in the house with a QSP Gannet here with me for a quick maintenance video. And you know what? If you like the channel, you can subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, you can like the video. And if you want to comment on the video, guess what? There's a nice comment section to let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here, which is a very inexpensive knife. The action is kind of strange. Like there's this kind of rattling thing going on. Let's see. I'm not sure if we can do anything, but I'm sure we're going to need a T6 and a T8 to do the job. Approach the pivot with a T8 and just in like a couple seconds this guy is out. I think we can approach right over there. Just do a T6, which is kind of tiny, but it's all right. And this guy is gonna come out like that. Very nice. This is out. And the second screw for the micarta scale is almost out. What is up? Still a little bit clinging onto that. Oh no, it's just like one piece. Oh, that's interesting. All right, I didn't think about that, but yeah, I guess that's what we are dealing with. Anyways, this guy is gonna come out like so. Just keep it pinched, pull the pin out, and then this guy magically will just open up like that. Ah, look at that, nice dovetail. That's ingenious. I like this. Yeah, that's cool because you got carbon fiber and micarta combined together. Here you get okay, so it's screwed in from the other side. That's all right. Blade can probably come out. Oh no, there's the stop pin. I don't want to force anything. Yeah, look at that. The bearings came out, and also the blade came out. Let me see. Sure, let's do this. All right, bearings here. This guy out. That's the second scale right over here. We got another two, so we have to take out the clip, which is all right. 1 and 2 screws for the clip, which can just leave right over here. All right. Scale is coming out. That's actually pretty clean. And look at this. That's the main structure of the frame. You got micarta backspacer and these skeletonized liners, which I like. D-shaped pivot, which is always a good thing. And sure, let's do this here. Oh, very interesting. This is a blind screw which is spinning. Okay, now I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Whatever. I would say whatever. I would just grab some rubbing alcohol, pretend that that didn't happen, and just pretend that, you know, I just cleaned everything thoroughly on the inside. Pretend that I unscrewed everything that was going on there. Then look at this. Done. I'm just like cleaning up. And the liners are well together now, and that's fantastic. Let's clean up everything else then. So we're just gonna do the blade on the bearing track, which you can see some machining lines going on, but I mean, it's all right. Let's clean also the scales like so. Very good. And this guy like here, like that. Also, we got 2 bearings which we want to take care of with ceramic balls. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Neat. And let's put this guy back together. So we're going to start with the blade. 1, 2, and 3. It was 4, maybe. I don't know. But we got some bearings going on over here, and like another 3 drops right there, and you do get your bearing also here, which can now go inside like this, right? Yeah, like that. Very good. So this is in place. Next, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do lock side, which is this guy with the 2 holes for the pocket clip. And now let's do the first handle screw. So just be gentle, because these are T6, these are tiny guys, and you don't wanna, yeah, you don't wanna anything going wrong with these screws, because yeah, you don't want that. And then first screw is maybe in. The screws are protruding from the clip, so they might get snagged into the fabric of whatever you have there going on. All right, so we can do now the scale like so. And this guy didn't want to leave the scale, which is fine for me. Just stay there, stay put, that's fine. And this is the second screw handle for, wow, these guys are tiny. For the handle show side, which is in. Very good. Let's do the pivot, which is keyed in on the top. So this guy is just gonna go down here like so, hopefully, right? One part is in, the second part is in, and this guy reached, yeah, there. So shall we do a little bit of blue Loctite? Maybe, yeah, let's do it. Why not? Change, grab T8, tiny bit of coating around the thread. This guy is in, but before just doing everything tight, just release the tension and just tighten all the way back. So I'm just missing some oil on the detent, which I'm gonna do now. And I see it's like a nice ceramic ball for the detent ball. That's pretty cool. And let's just spread some nano oil love on the detent track. Let's check it out. Nice fingerprints going on. Blade is pretty centered. There is no blade play. It's way too tight. So we're gonna proceed and just, and oh yeah, that was super tight. Undo that. Let's see. Yes. That's pretty good to me. And let's quickly check for blade play. No, nothing. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Actually, not too shabby. I mean, there's still a little bit of, you see it rattling like, I don't know what is making this sound, but definitely it comes from the bearings. It's weird, it has like a cheap feel, to be honest, but the action is not too shabby, guys. Look at that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This is the QSP Gannet maintained by Fab. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.